Welcome to our quick daily at-home workout. This is the best workout you can possibly do because it's the one you are doing. Let's go. March with a twist. Get that leg up as high as you can and twist. We're going to warm up the body, do a little cardio, a little strength training. It's all going to be here today. And the best workout, the best exercise is the one that you'll do. Find the movement that you love and do it. Build consistency and discipline by just showing up and moving your body as often as you can and do the things that you love. Gradually, you move on to something else. You'll find other ways to move, but just find the movements that you enjoy doing. That's the best workout. They're going to tell you, you got to do cardio, you got to do strength training. These things are all great. They're important. More importantly, it's just the one you're going to stick with. If you stay consistent to it, you'll start to add on. Do yoga, dance, strength training, garden, whatever it is. Find the thing you love. That's the best exercise. Full stop, regardless of what anybody else says. Just doing some of my favorites today. So let's just take that and ramp it up a little bit. Little skip march. I love the skip march because skipping just makes us happy. Do me a favor, if you're finding value in these videos and you're one of the 70% plus people that has not subscribed to the channel, pause the video, subscribe for me, help this community grow. We can motivate each other and find daily movement that inspires us, energizes us, and just lifts us up. And when you're done the workout, comment, job done. It does inspire me and others and keeps you accountable, gives you a small victory for the day. Our chair is here, we're going to use that. Anytime you need a little assistance, by all means, use the chair. It's amazing what we can accomplish in 5-10 minute workouts. What we also are doing is boost our mood, elevating our energy in these small workouts and building that habit of consistent movement. Whew. The best movement's the one you'll do. Sometimes we want to train for certain things. Feet together. Use the chair if you need to. If a squat's not accessible to you, hold the chair and just keep up with the knees. If you can come down, feet together, pointed forward. I want to build mobility. And certain exercises certainly help us to do certain things. I've been trying to hold a deep squat for as long as I can. And somebody sent me this exercise. And I found it to be incredibly beneficial to increasing the mobility in my ankles, my hips and knees, so that I can get down and hold a deep squat. So just find a flow here. The simplest of exercises can build strength, increase our mobility, range of motion. It's amazing. Just find ways to move that work best for you. Movement is freedom. So you can climb this set of stairs, no problem. You can carry your groceries home like we did the other day. You can play with friends, with your kids, with whomever, with ease and joy. Let's move laterally just to loosen up what we've maybe get a little tight after the squat. And when I come over, I'm going to stop to the side. Stretch out. Yeah. So this is lateral movement. It's great for our mobility, getting that leg up, range of motion, creating some flexibility, but getting the heart rate up as well. So we're getting that great cardio workout as well. Bundle as much as we can into one workout. That's why this is the best workout. Clearly there's no best workout. Really just think about what will I do, the one that I'll do. And also, when you're in it, start to think, this is the best workout ever. Reframe it. Just take that mindset. And whatever I'm doing, it's the best, no matter what it is. Ooh, man, life starts to get pretty great. Again, if you're just here on the chair, maybe doing this or something, that's terrific. Always modify. Change it for whatever works for you. If you want to make it harder, go faster, get that leg up higher, whatever works for you. Last one. Okay. Now, come into this deep squat if you can. If it's not accessible, you can just be on the chair. But I just want to get a little bit more range of motion. So just a few times, I'm just going to twist. Hopefully, we've loosened up the hips so we can get down into this deep squat. Real great stretch in the spine here. Increasing that range of motion. Just find a bit of a flow. Be present. And last one. Come on up. You feel it there. Endorphins engage. Mother Nature's natural painkiller, the endorphin, they start to flow once we move. That's what movement's all about too. Get the good feel, chemicals flowing. I do want to use our chair today. You can come again, modify, do what's best for you. Let's get the heart rate up a little bit. So we're just going to mountain climber. So we can do it from a standing position here, which is amazing. If you come down to the seat of the chair, it's gonna make it a little bit more difficult. Or keep going, you can come down to the floor. Just keep moving, find out what works for you. Again, you can pick up the pace. It can be slow, just you really want to get range of motion, great. If you want to pick up a little more cardio, slow it down. Either on your chair or on the floor. Let's just hold the plank. Engage your core. We want amazing core stability. Nobody cares if you have six-pack abs, but good core stability. Functional fitness. It's about getting the things that we do each day done with a little bit more ease, a little bit lighter, a little stronger. Again, so if you're down here, just hold. Focus on your core. Flat back. You want our butt up or down. Nice and flat. Just bring all your presence into this move. Start to tremble possibly. Just hold it. Find your edge. Go a little beyond. 3, 2, 1. Yeah. Let's finish with the core, okay? Feet together. Standing Russian twist. This on the floor, seated, is an amazing exercise. A little bit more challenging on the floor. In your chair would be terrific. But we can do it standing also. A great exercise for the spine. If you really focus on your core, engage it, we're going to build great core stability. One day at a time, one movement at a time. Oh, yeah. And shake it out. That's it. To me, the ability to pay attention, focus, the greatest thing that we can learn. Come into this moment, standing in mountain pose, and let's just spend a moment together. Connect to your breath. Notice the mind. The mind will wander. That's what the mind does. Just bring it back to this moment every time it wanders. And let's just absorb all the great things we've done in that short, sweet workout. No judgments. No mind. Come on back. I choose to be present in this moment. Just feel energy flowing through your body. Shake it out. I hope you feel energized. Hope your mood is elevated. Keep showing up. Keep coming back. Stay consistent. Discipline is the path to freedom. Thank you so much. I will see you tomorrow. God love you.